Such a beautiful pixie hair transformation for the first one. I love the nice layered texture that this has, really providing a lot of volume and height. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be taking a look at some more hair transformations. So here we have someone rocking out a shawlette hairstyle. That is a mix between a mullet and a shag. And she also decided to dye her hair this beautiful neon green. Such a funky and fun hairstyle idea. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we see this gorgeous bright blonde pixie style. Love the mohawk vibe with that one. And then we do move into yet another pixie haircut. Now we feature a lot of pixies on this channel. It is one of the most requested hairstyles that we are seeing in 2023. And it's really a look that you can create with your own personal style. I like how this one has a nice curly texture at the top going here. You can do this with your natural curly hair too if you desire. Beautiful swooping bangs to frame out the face. Very nice. Next up, we have someone getting the Bordeaux bang trend. Now this has been floating around for around the past year or so. Very popular hairstyle idea. Now this is definitely going to add some volume to your hair. And it looks like she is doing a little bit of a cut here as well. Beautiful layers to frame out her face. Oh, very nice. I love the pops of blonde that she has mixed in here as well. Very pretty. Beautiful, smart, and stylish hairstyle idea. So it looks like we have another trimming of the ends here for the next hair transformation. Stylist also mixes in some bangs for this one. Now, if you are looking for a slight hair change that's pretty much a simple, great everyday option. Layers is definitely going to be your best friend. Nice way to mix things up without doing anything too drastic. So next up we have this cut refresh with this pixie style. Now this particular pixie does feature a classic shape and texture. So much fullness going there at the top, very nice. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.